In this video, I will show you how to pay with Amazon gift card. So first of all, you have to log in with your Amazon account, and after that simply here select the product that you want to purchase. So like I have select this product, so select the size and color. So after that here you can see buy now option. So if you want to purchase more item, you must have to add it in cart. So just simply click on buy now. So after that you will move to next page. So here you have to check the shipping address. If you don't have added the shipping address, simply add the shipping address to your Amazon account. I have already added shipping address to my account, so just simply go down. Here you can see choose a payment method. So here you can see credit card or debit card available. So under this section here you can see enter a gift card, voucher or promotional code. So simply enter your Amazon gift code here and then click on apply. So after that, when you click on apply and your code is approved, simply click on use this payment method. So after that you will be able to pay with Amazon gift card.